we quickly connected the remote controller to the smartphone running the drone's official ground control app and installed the drone's battery to complete the drone's deployment and prepare it for takeoff. In parallel with the deployment of the drone, we also synchronized the launch of the data transmission app on the smartphone connected to the live deck in order to transmit the drone's thermal camera footage and GPS coordinates in real time to the workstation side. When the data had successfully commenced transfer, the corresponding parameter changes were displayed on the screen. Once the above preparations were completed, the drone successfully took off under the pilot's supervision and carried out the corresponding traffic incident detection mission according to preset waypoints. During the detection process, the pilot can control the drone and monitor the thermal camera footage along with the drone's flight status to ensure flight safety. Meanwhile, during the drone detection flight, the ground operator can observe the system detection status. The drone's thermal camera footage and detection results of processed videos at any time through our design detection control software. In addition, the operator can also pause, resume and stop the detection system at any time by clicking on control buttons on the web page. When the drone's flight is stopped, the operator can click the Stop Detection button on the control software to stop the related detection threads on the workstation. Once the detection mission is completed, the drone will land to perform operations such as changing batteries. For completed detection missions, the operator can review at any time via the History Review function of the detection control software for subsequent analysis and other operations. In addition, the operator can click on any dot on the visualization map to view the thermal video corresponding to the dot, thus understanding the type and severity of the traffic incident and its impact on traffic.